Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install this throttle body dress-up cover. Should be very simple. I believe it just mounts right here. Take out this bolt, install this bolt, and that's it. It gives you some instructions on the order of things. It doesn't say why there's two different size bolts. I'm not sure. Maybe there's a difference in, throttle drive-by-wire versus cable throttle. That's my only guess. So we're going to use the longer one probably and go from there. But basically, you just remove that bolt, like I said. It comes with a Password JDM dress-up washer. It's going to go through that. You're going to use a flat washer and then the spacer. And that's it. So let's get to it. So we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt. So let's go ahead and install it like this. All right, so I found out that the longer bolt was too long. It was sitting too high. So we're gonna use the shorter bolt. This is a drive-by-wire car. So maybe the throttle cable cars need the longer bolt. That looks good. All right, and it's as simple as that. So it is a kind of a tight fit with that wire right there, with that, not wire, but that hose. I almost had to tilt it cockeyed just so it doesn't rub up against that. But I mean, they're not moving parts, so it probably would have been fine, but that's just my OCD. But got it pretty straight as can be, and just give it a nice snug, and that's it. So overall, how does it look? Not bad. Goes along with good with the red intake manifold cover. And shout out to HCE for the maintenance mat. So overall, very easy install, about less than 5 minutes. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching.